Okay, so we are ready with the new kit to stitch. So these are the threads, are really beautiful. And so what the cool part of this, they are botanical threads and they're hand dyed in Chile. So like all the colors, to create all the colors are used on plants. So, well, for me, it's really nice to create products that are more natural and sustainable. So for example, the yellow one, it's created with turmeric. And then, so the blue with indigo. Then we have some onion skin for the gray, so like that. So they're really beautiful. Okay, so now we're gonna create this garden, floating garden with flowers. So the idea of this kit, this is a really special kit because it's like a super freestyle kit. There is like no rules. You are not obligated to follow like my instructions. My instructions are really free as well. So like this, like you can experiment your own thing too. And everybody can create like a different garden with like different maybe color palette. So for example, I will use the whole color palette. So these are the threads, but you don't have to if you don't want. Like you can just choose 3 colors if you want and maybe use the other ones for another project. So these are our beautiful hand-dyed colors. And first I'm gonna use the yellow. It's my favorite color so far. So I think with the dark blue navy will be amazing. First I'm gonna show you how to start with the flowers. And then once we do that, you can like keep going with all the other flowers. So we're gonna see the main idea, doing some pompons and knots. So then you can like fill the flowers and petals whatever you want. However you do it, it's gonna be fine. And the idea is that you experience also your own like freestyle way. So this is the thread, so I'm gonna make a little hole. I'm using this single because I wanna do something like more delicate with this. Okay, so you see this little line that I drew there? So that means that first I'm gonna do this part of the flower and then the other part. So I'm gonna do the this big flower. So first I'm gonna just do this inside part and then the like outside. So the other flowers, they have kind of like the same thing, but you can start like this or you're gonna start from here, from the outside. So anyway, it's fine. So I'm doing kind of like long stitches and short, like super freestyle. Also, when they're hand dyed, the thread, they feel so much nicer. They feel really natural. They don't feel like plastic or synthetic. Of course, they can be more expensive, but it's so worth it. I'm slowly trying to have more natural ones. It's hard to get them, and of course more expensive, but it's really beautiful. I love them. I really like this pattern because there's so many possibilities to like create different things. Even you can add more flowers or more leaves.